Today we are going to learn about stress analysis of honeycomb structure on NX12. In this tutorial, you will learn the setup and effect of honeycomb structure after applied load on the honeycomb structure. Please watch full video to learn and don't skip any of this step, otherwise you will not understand. So, welcome to AB Design Studio. I hope you will like it. Let's start this tutorial. For this we have to go to first application, select application. You can now see the different type of modules: design modules, manufacturing modules, simulation modules. We have to go to simulation modules. In this we have to choose design modules. For the simulation stress analysis, so click in this design module, wait for some time. Now we have to enter in this simulation module. We have already entered. You can see the new FEMN simulation window. You can see this get part, or you can see this our part, design part. You can see solver environment, solver analysis type. You have to select analysis type structural, because you have to stress analysis in this. Now okay. Now you can see this a solution window is also open, pop up. Before go to setup or applying load, we have to first create a solution window. For this we have to name this honeycomb solution. Now we can select a structural analysis type, and solution type is also a linear statics. Now you can see this a list of results: stress, displacement, strain, element, reaction, applied loads, contact force. You all, if you are any this, you can select. Okay, skip this, was not right now selected. Now apply. Yes, our solution is now created. So we have to go to home for this. After this we have to first assign a material on this honeycomb structure. For this we have to go to assign material, click on this. You can see the library of materials already here, or otherwise you can create any of this material by putting properties of material. We have to take aluminum. Okay, let's see, this is aluminum. Okay, material is assigned. Our material is assigned in this honeycomb structure. You can see this, our honeycomb structure is now a aluminum type of metal. After this we have to mesh this model. For this we have to go to mesh tool.
can see this 3D tetrahedral, or you can see this the mesh control and mesh matrix. For creating a mesh
window, mesh bar, you can see the 3D tetrahedral mesh. Click in this. You have to create 3D tetrahedral mesh. You have to choose here for setting for this. First select body in which we can select or already selected. You can see this element properties, type, mesh parameters, mesh quality options, mesh settings or cleanup options, all are set. You don't have to any this change. Okay, then okay. We have to wait some time. We have to waiting for some time for meshing. You can see this. Okay, our meshing is now completed. Our second step is also completed. You can see the meshing view. Meshing has been all done. The 3D tetrahedral mesh are created. You can see this. Okay, our next step is to giving support or create a load. Okay, let's start this process. Go to constraint type, fixed constraint, select the site in which we can support, giving support. Okay, our support is fixed constraint is created. Now our next step is to apply a load for this. So first select the top view, then go to load type, in which you can select force. Now select a region in which we apply force. Okay, giving 1 Newton force. Selected direction. You can see the direction upward. For this we reverse the direction downward. Okay, now you can see this. Our setup is fully completed for analysis of honeycomb structure. Next step is to solve this problem. Go to solve, then okay, let's wait for solution.